Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, the another Django web applications which implements Django CRUD features authentication mechanism. The applications named as Client House is just the simple Django web applications which demonstrate the CRUD features and authentication mechanism. So this is the home page of our applications, and user can sign up from here and log in from this page. So at first I want to sign up with my new user account. So let's put the username and password. Okay, so it's loading. So this says thanks for registrations. Confirmations link is sent to your email address. Please verify from your email address to log in automatically. So let's open the Gmail account with your. So now open the Gmail. Okay, so this is the host email user, and this is the confirmation link. It says hi Achyut, please click on the link to confirm your registration. Okay, let's go to this link, and it redirect us to the our site with the logged in access. So let's close this, and here you can see logged out options. So we are logged in, but we cannot edit, delete or change anything because we just sign in with the normal user. In these applications I provide the authority to change, update and delete to the admin only. So that account we just created earlier is not the admin account, that is just a normal user account which only can see the informations on the site. So let's log out and log in with the admin account which we created earlier from the command prompt while building the applications, that is super user. Also with the python manage.py create super users command. So in my case this is my admin account, so let's logged in. Okay, now you can see the three options appear at the bottom: edit, view details and delete. So let's click on the view details. Here is the view details page where the information about the client is given on the detailed manner. So here is the company name, location and logo and some description. Here there is some static content you can change as per your requirement, and these are also some static images that I shows here from the Google link. You can change that to display from your database. And okay, let's go back to home and let's try to edit the informations. So here is the edit options. We can update the client informations from this form. So let's change this as a Pandey to new updated client, so that we can know the change client is this. Okay, let's choose a logo, put the new logo. Okay, this one, and let's change another things like okay, and update. So you can see the information is changed, new update client. So let's see, now let's try to delete the informations. Okay, now we are going to delete the informations. Let's delete this one. Okay, no, let's delete the first one. Okay, we just first created, and boom, this one is deleted. So there is only one at the second page. Okay, this is all about the crowd features. So the another one thing I want to add is add client. Okay, I want to add new client, totally new client. I'm not going to update anything, but I want to add completely new client from here. Let's new added client. Okay, let's put locations like this. Okay, put this one. Contact number, let's put something like this. I'm just not considering the any valid informations, but just trying to put the information here. Okay, now I'm going to add the client. Okay, let's see the client is added or not at the second page. Okay, here is the new added client. So the informations is added. Now view details. Okay, you can see the view details. Okay, now let's go to this. This is all about the CRUD operations. Now let's go to gallery page. This is simple web applications, so I'm not going on to the all the looks and everything. I'm just trying to demonstrate the features only. So click on this and we can save this image. Okay, okay, this is all about the gallery. And now I added the search features to this site, so we can search our client according to its client name, job locations, company name. So let's try to search with new. Okay, this is new added client that we just added earlier. Since we logged in with the admin user, we can edit and delete from here also. Let's try to search the another information about client. Let's search from the locations. Okay, okay, here you can see the informations that appears from the locations called Kathmandu. Okay, okay, that's it about the search. So let's go to home. Now we can log out from here and see there is no any options to perform the CRUD operations. You can only read the informations here. You cannot create, update or delete anything. For that you need to log in with the admin account as per the requirement of this project. You can change it as per your requirement, how you want to customize the site. So yeah guys, this is all about the CRUD features of Django web applications. You can find this project on my GitHub link. I will put the GitHub link on the description, so you can analyze the code and see how code works, and you can add those code to your project as a reference. So yeah guys, support me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because lots of videos related to new projects are coming out there soon. So let's support me. Okay.